tabletop. So this is a foundational movement pose that gets overlooked very often. So Leah's going to start with her knees apart, basically walk her hands out in front of her. Ideally, our hands are right under our shoulders and we got some soft elbows going on. Our knees are right under our hips and our big toes can come together. It's wherever like your feet and the lower shins, lower legs land. From here, sometimes we got to make a double chin. We also want to pay attention to the position of our back. So I'm going to have Leah press up a little bit here. Yeah, you see how that kind of changed everything? I'm also going to get her to press up a little bit here. Ooh, so nice. Yeah, so I could put a glass of water, hot coffee right here, and it looks pretty dang good. Like all of this is flat, it's not going to move. So in this tabletop position, I just want you to breathe here. This position is so great for pregnancy. It's so great for building strength postpartum. Please do not overlook it. It is part of the BIRTHFIT basics, a foundational pose for a reason. So use it. Also, I will touch on this. If somebody needs to be doing inversions, maybe to get baby in a more optimal position, maybe they don't have, press up here a little bit, the comfort of going completely inverted, use this pose. This is a great, great pose for just getting baby kind of like off mom's sacrum, out of the pelvis, and to give baby a little encouragement to get in a more optimal position. And that's your tabletop.